Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off private mode on TikTok. We will start by opening TikTok and entering our profile. Here we will click on the upper drop-down menu and then on Settings and Privacy. Next, we click on Privacy. Here we will find the Private Account option. We can click on it, switch, and deactivate it. When you do so, you will see a notice of the consequences of having a public account since your content will not be protected from others. If you agree, confirm the action with switch. From this moment, your account will become public. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.